Hiya folks. Okay, so we're back for a second video this week. Really lucky we're getting a treat. I'm still preparing the rover for the NCT. However, we have new battery installed. We've no warning lights. Everything is starting, everything is running. We have the rear light cluster fixed. The only thing back there that's not fixed is the leak, but that's going to be for another time. But what we do need to do right now is fix these light clusters. They are very, very sun damaged. They're looking particularly nasty. So in order to do that, I have a non-sponsored, I fully paid for this, Autoglym Headlight Restoration Kit. Now I have never used one of these before, so what I decided to do was we'll record me using it and we'll see how we get on. And we'll see if Autoglym Headlight Restoration is of any use for the common idiot like myself, okay? So, first things first, according to the constructions, what I need to do is clean it. Done, okay? Next up, what I need to do is put on a little bit of masking tape to protect the paintwork, which I do think is a good idea. So we'll do that. So, nice and handy, we just fit that in there. Squeeze it in around the light cluster. And that's it, a little bit up there. Perfect, super. We'll do that all around. Now, what I like to do in my videos, guys, I did actually notice one or two comments from somebody saying, God, this idiot takes an age to do anything. The reason for that is, I personally, and maybe this is just me, I hate when you look up a YouTube guide and you see this lovely guide and somebody's like, oh, I did this in 2 minutes or 3 minutes. And then you try and do it yourself and 6 hours later, you're still on the first step. So that's kind of me. I like to see how these things actually work in the real world. Does it take 5 minutes? Does it take 10 minutes? Who knows? Now, this is the first time I've done this. So as I say, it's a bit of a learning process for me. That looks very professionally fitted there now. So I'm just going to do the other light. Again, I'm not trying to cut any corners, apart from that little bit of tape that's gone on the light that shouldn't be there. Not trying to cut any corners in terms of time. It'll take whatever it takes. Now, if I do cut any of the video out, please rest assured I will tell you how much I cut out, just so you fully understand the length of time involved in actually completing the task, okay? And as I say, I've never done this before. It'll be interesting to see how it works out. Now, it's all full steam ahead for this NCT on Monday, so I'm kind of excited about that. I'm trying to figure out what to do with this car, though, after that. You know, do I sell it at the knockdown price? Do I drive it at the knockdown price? I don't particularly need another car, but it hasn't stopped me before. And that's kind of it. So, we've one headlamp fully sealed off there. I don't think Anton's going to really get near it, so I'm not too worried about it. We are going to burst open this lovely Autoglym. I would open it a little bit oh, this actually comes off nice and handy. All right, so there's the constructions. And the constructions, let's pull them out. Okay, yes, I have a drill. It's over here. Just going to grab that. Can't beat a good drill, folks. If you're going to invest money, invest in a good drill. That's my advice, okay? So, figure 1, mask your headlamps. Figure 2, take your drill and drill into it. Nah, don't do that. Take this piece of the kit out. We got it. Okay, and fit it to your drill. So that's what I'm going to do. Boom, take that little thing off. Fit this little thing in, and that's it, done. Probably best take the hammer action off, and do you know what? Just to be sure it's off. Now, what I have to do is, I got that bit fitted. I need to then take the abrasive pad. Complete kit. Which one is the abrasive one? So we have our P800 now attached to the drill. We can see that it is working. It's going to put them in there in case they blow away on me. And what we're going to do is, with medium pressure, apply it onto the headlamp. Now apparently I'm to keep it flat and keep it nice and even. Probably not to do that, but anyway, I've done it. Beautiful. So this is the moment when you start working on something where you're thinking, probably shouldn't have started this job. But anyway, it's too late. So let's continue. See how we... Beautiful. So let's have a look. Refined sanding. Attach a P1500. We're up to 1500 now. So we'll take that. We'll leave that in the box. I'll come back to that later. And we will stick our... Whoops. P1500 is now on. So now I need to use a 2000 grit. That's that one. P800, P800, P2000. There we go. This one. Now, according to the constructions this time, I need to get something I don't have, which is a spray bottle full of water. Okay, I absolutely guarantee you nobody was more amazed that I could find this than me. Now, oh, we got her working. Okay, so let's spray a little bit on there to that. And apparently I'm supposed to do the same to this. Now, okay, so off we go. We just now, let's see what we do next. Polishing. So attach the white compounding foam to the backing plates. We'll take that off. We'll throw that in there. We will then take this one, attach it nice and evenly, and we apply a little bit on there, I'm certain. I'll just do dab, 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 dab. See, whoop, that's a bit too much of a dab. Just a dab. And I'm just, because that's how I like to kind of do these things. We then turn it on. So this is a compound which should help it to buff up nicely now. As I can tell the weather is just turning now. Of course it is, it's starting to rain. Right. Let's clean it and see what the final product is actually like. Wow. No understatements here, folks. I'm mightily impressed. Holy moly. It's like an entire new headlamp has been fitted to this car. Now, I haven't done it perfectly, okay? I could put in more time, I could do everything. This is just more to show, do these products actually work? Ones you can buy in your driveway. Yeah, I am pretty impressed. I hope that is visible to you at home, the difference that that is making. Let's move the camera in a little bit. Wow. Yeah, I think that's a success. Now, I know some of you are going to say, but what about in 3 weeks' time when the sun gets at it and it starts to fade? And yeah, if I didn't protect this, that's exactly what will happen, okay? So what I'm actually going to do next, because of the rain, I'm going to have to do it later on. I am going to get some ceramic coating and I'm going to put it on the headlamp, and that should protect it long term. Anyway, folks, it's starting to rain. I got more headlamps to do. So listen, it's adios from me. Remember, the NCT is going to be next Monday and we'll see how we get on. Talk to you later, folks. Bye-bye.